Hey there, welcome to SAVVYCHAIN, your ultimate guide to understanding blockchain and unlocking financial freedom. If you've ever wondered, what exactly is blockchain? Then this video is for you. Grab a seat because we're about to break it down in the simplest way possible. So, what is blockchain? Imagine a digital notebook, but instead of just one person writing in it, everyone has a copy. And every time someone writes a new page, it gets instantly updated across all notebooks. That's the magic of blockchain. It's a decentralized digital ledger, meaning no single person or company controls it. Each piece of data is recorded in a block, and blocks are linked together in a chain. Once something is written, it's permanent, transparent, and secure. That's why blockchain is called immutable. No one can secretly alter past records. But why does blockchain matter? Well, it solves a big problem of trust. Traditionally, we rely on middlemen, banks, brokers, governments to verify transactions. Blockchain removes the need for these intermediaries. It allows peer-to-peer transactions that are faster, cheaper, and transparent. Think of it like this. You send money directly to someone else, and it's verified not by a third party, but by the network itself using cryptographic rules. Let's take a real-life example. Imagine you're buying a house. In the old system, you'd need banks, lawyers, and agents. With blockchain, you can create a smart contract that executes the deal automatically when both sides agree. No middleman. And it's not just about money. Blockchain is being used in healthcare, voting systems, supply chains, identity verification, and more. It's a technology that's rewriting how trust and data move in the digital world. Still confused? Think of a public notice board. Everyone can read it, and once something is posted, it's there for good. You can't erase it or secretly edit it. That's how blockchain works. But on a global, digital scale. So, there you have it. Blockchain in its simplest form. In future episodes, we'll dive into crypto, smart contracts, NFTs, and how you can take advantage of this revolution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to understand the blockchain basics. SAVVYCHAIN, master blockchain. Secure your future.